Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the orientation on a side camera. First, what you want to do is, I already did it for the video, you want to unscrew all the screws that are here. Like that. You've got 1, 2, 3. Then we open it up, and then the next stage is unscrewing the 2 side screws right here, right? When you're done, what you want to do is, so in this case you see the warranties on the bottom. When you're done, what you want to do is you want to see the warranty on top. Because then that's how you flip the image like that. Once you close it off and you see the warranty here on top, then the next stage is putting the screws back in here, right? So they're like this. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna put 1 screw. It might take a couple of seconds, right? Because you gotta fit it in the hole there. But we're gonna get it in there, no problem. All right, here we got the first one in there. All right. Like that. And then we're gonna get the second one in there. Now, you really can't do any damage to the product, so I wouldn't worry about it. See right here. But this way also you could also pick the orientation and how much you want it pointing out on the product itself. Like this. There you go. Once it's in there, it's tight, like this, right there. Then we're gonna put the side camera in here like this, right? You wanna make it straight so it fits there easily the first time. Now you can see that you can orient it up and down. And now we're just gonna start closing these off. You know, I like starting off from the one here in the back. Makes it a little bit easier for the rest of them. And that's really all there is to it. There's not much to it, but it's a handy trick to know if you get 2 side cameras that are both passenger or something like that. You know, it's really not a big deal to set it up. Right there. I'll continue this on my own, but that's basically what you got to do. Thank you and have a great day.